Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our learning platform, Learn Forward from Pitara. Today we will do another next chapter of our series, chapter number 15 from Songs and Tales. The title of our poem is Early to Bed. Early to Bed. Do you wake up early, students? You have to wake up early. Okay. See, there is a children. There is a boy who is waking up early. Okay. Let's start the poem, students. Early to bed and early to rise. We have to wake up early. Early to bed and early to rise. Keeps a man healthy and wise. Keeps a man healthy and wise. Early to bed and early to rise keeps a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Wise means intelligent. Early to bed and early to rise keeps a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay. After this, we have an finding activity. What we have to do? We have to help Gungun to spot the difference between two pictures. See, there are two beautiful pictures. We have to find the difference. And what is the difference, students? Tell me. Yes. There is a boy, but there is a girl. It is one difference. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers, but there is 3. Okay. There is one bird, but there is 2 birds. So you have to find another difference in your homework. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Happy learning.